Let's check the Swiss Beauty Select Do the Duet lipstick, which has lipstick on one side and gloss on the other. Strangely, I couldn't find it on the Swiss Beauty Select website I picked up from the store. I can only find it on Tira and Flipkart, so I don't know exactly how many shades are in this range. But I picked up this one shade and applied the liquid lipstick side, and now let's see if it does transfer. I gave it some time to dry and only the boundaries transferred a little bit. Now we can safely say that the liquid lipstick part does not transfer. Now let's apply the gloss part. As you can see, it's not a clear gloss, it has some pigment to it. The combo looks stunning, but you can wear both the sides on their own. Now the gloss part definitely does transfer, so the gloss part is not transfer proof, and it also makes the liquid lipstick underneath transfer a lot. Sadly, if you apply the lipstick and the gloss together, it will not be transfer proof anymore. The claims says that the lipstick is smudge proof and it doesn't fade, but that only goes for the liquid lipstick, and as soon as you apply the gloss on top, you can easily wipe off the lipstick as well. Now I don't know if the brand has discontinued the range because I cannot see it on the website. If you want to buy, you can check it out on Tira or Flipkart. This is all about this lipstick. The shade is 01 Amber Nude.